Hi, Geosley. How are you doing today?
Hi Pallavi, I'm doing good.
Congratulations for being selected as a speaker for the Global Testing Retreat 2022 by Agile Testing Alliance, and welcome for it. Would you please like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, thank you so much for giving me the opportunity to be selected again. I think this is my fourth year as a
Yeah.
speaker with ATA.
Yeah.
So I'm really excited and I love being always at this exciting conference. Yeah, a few things about me. I'm a director, product evangelist at XLQ. XLQ is an AI-powered no-code test automation test management platform. And I also head the Q community, which is a community of global test automation enthusiasts.
Right.
So that's what I primarily do as professionally.
Okay, that's great to know, Jocelyn. So your topic, which is about AI friend or foe, demystifying its implication for testing, would you please tell us something about it?
Sure. So yes, I have been hearing a lot in the community, about what is this AI powered all about, right? So I just wanted to give an answer what AI actually means when we are trying to use such kind of tech in testing platforms, right? So my talk will be specifically more into what are the algorithms that run behind to create such AI powered platforms. So
Okay.
this talk is going to be really special where I'm going to walk through a lot of AI specific algorithms that go behind the scenes
Mm-hmm.
of doing a lot of testing activities like element identification, test authoring, test data generation,
Right.
uh, you know, test discovery, report collation. So we hear a lot of platforms talk about AI powered, to put it, right. So this is where I'm going to try to uncover all that for you. So this is going to be an exciting talk
Okay.
where I'm going to
Yeah.
really talk about what AI would mean when you talk about uh, platforms using this and what real AI means when it comes to the table. So yeah, this is going to be a really interesting talk, and yeah, this is going to be my first talk on this topic. So yeah, super excited for it.
Okay, that sounds very exciting. I for sure will definitely want to attend it, Jocelyn, because bringing that on table, I think is very important. The tags AI powered no code automation tool are all very much hyped in the market. But as testers, I think it is very important to know what goes behind building these amazing tools. And as you have rightly mentioned, that it is time that we embrace these technologies for better working. Do you find any challenges as people adapt to these technologies as to how much should a tester be aware nowadays while using these tools? Like, do they really need knowledge of AI or they should use it as, like end users? What's your
Right.
thought on that?
Right. So, when we build a platform, we definitely need to know about AI and ML algorithms that go behind the scenes. But as testers, because now a lot of tools out there are using and leveraging some of the powers of these AIs and algorithms of these AIs,
Mm-hmm.
it's becoming quite simple for testers. So
Okay.
one thing, when we look at traditional tools out there, are also adopting to some of these AI options. Like even if you talk about open source like Selenium, they also
Right.
have now self-healing capabilities that looking at likes of Postman also have now
Mm.
no-code flows that they have introduced. So the adoption has been ever increasing right now with
Okay.
no-code, low-code, and the use of AI. So it's
Mhm.
time for us to embrace it, see where us as testers can use it to our advantage, and then do some things which are more valuable for us as testers, where we can contribute more on the exploration side, right? We wouldn't want to waste our time with element identification or with test authoring or doing something which is already there and reinventing the wheel over and over again, right?
That's
So
true.
there is
Yeah.
no progress in that to invest time in reinventing the wheel again. So I think the technology is fast evolving. The wave has already been taken up in development space, where there is a high adoption of no code, low code, AI, ML that is there in development space. So I think
Mhm.
testing is not far behind. We are getting there, and hopefully we should be equivalent to the dev space in no time. So yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
that's my quick take on it.
Okay. Thanks for that, Jocelyn. Would you please tell us about the testing community initiative you run? Something about it. What's your
Sure.
experience like?
Sure. So the testing community I run is specifically catering to test automation, and then I'm mostly looking towards the adoption of no code, low code AI.
Okay.
Is where we look at from a community standpoint. So test automation basically has been looked down upon for testers, right? It looks, people call it auto magic and words like that. So I
Okay.
just want to make sure that test automation is not there to kill testers or to remove or eliminate their jobs. It is just to assist testing activities. And I
Okay.
see a true value in the adoption of test automation and test automation tools
Mm-hmm.
is where I profess. And as a community, the major pain point I'm trying to look out and share is how test automation can assist testers. That's number one. And then look at building sustainable test automation, because maintenance of test automation has always been a hurdle,
Yeah.
irrespective of which platform or tool you use. So
Agree.
that's where I'm trying to help the community build sustainable solutions, no matter which tool or platform they use in their context. So that is more of my mission when it comes to community, to build sustainable test automation frameworks or tools out there.
That's a very noble mission, Josley, and I wish you all the success in making sure that people respect test automation and find that as an enabling and empowering thing rather than taking away their jobs. And thank you so much for this enlightening introduction about your talk. I'm sure a lot of people would want to attend it and hear you talk about it. You're an expert in this field. Thank you so much for your time today, and we look forward to hearing you at the GTR 2022. Thanks, Josley.
Thank you so much, Pallavi. Super excited. See you there.
See you then. Thanks. Bye.